Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install dining rewards enrollment with Chase Card offers easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the installation process for dining rewards enrollment with your Chase Card offers, first, ensure that you have your Chase Card information ready. Open a web browser on your device and navigate to the Chase website. Log into your Chase online account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the rewards section on the home page. Click on the Dining Rewards or Earn Rewards link. You will then be directed to a page that outlines the Dining Rewards program. Read the details provided about the program and its benefits. Next, look for the option to enroll in the Dining Rewards program. This is usually prominently displayed. Click on the Enroll Now button to begin the enrollment process. You may be prompted to confirm your identity through security questions or a verification code. Provide any required information requested during the enrollment process. Review the terms and conditions of the Dining Rewards program thoroughly. Once you agree to the terms, click the Agree and Continue button. After successfully enrolling, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Take note of any additional steps you may need to complete for maximizing your rewards. You can now start using your Chase Card at participating dining locations to earn rewards. Remember to keep your Chase Card handy for easy access when dining out. Periodically check your Chase account for updates on your rewards and additional offers. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Dining Rewards enrollment with your Chase Card offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.